It's early morning at the Georges River. We can't see, but we got 7 rods, Ryan?
Oh, that's not including the number 8 that's sitting down waiting to go.
Yeah. We ran out of space, we don't know where to put number 8. And believe it or not, guys, we only got 1 hit. That was on the little red one over there. Hopefully today it'll produce pretty good quality fish. But I do know one thing for sure. There's going to be a lot of angry fucking fishers. Oh, mate. We took their spot, so they can suck it up. Yeah. What can I really say? It's fucking freezing.
Freezing?
My legs are freezing and it goes up to my balls. You know what I'm saying? And we're waiting for the fish. Have a nice beer. Warming up. As you can see, there are rods galore. Rods. Equipment. And we're going to expect a lot of unhappy fishers. But yeah, we just want to catch a good fish. That's where they got to go, all the way over there up the rocks. You can see them. They're like tiny. Hey.
Good.
Yeah, we're receiving some bites. From a small fish, I think. Who knows, maybe a big one. Just gonna give it some time for it to hook. Yeah, try it now. See, yeah.
Okay.
You biting? Feel another tick, you know, probably try your chances, pull it, or if you don't feel one, then that means he's taken the bait. If you don't feel one, then that means he's taken the bait. It's probably something small.
Yeah, let it go. He's either taking it or he's let it go.
It's very strange.
I can still feel movement down there.
Yeah, but probably it's the current.
Huh?
Probably it's the current.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Check if there's bait in there. Fuck, he's taking it all. He's taking it all, the bloody bastard.
Little prick, I tell you.
Fucking hell!
Angry fisherman number 2.
Where's the big fish? Damn! Must have scared him away.
Here we are. Mike's just about to cast another one in.
Get into a sexual stance to balance yourself. Yeah. All the way on the other side, guys. That's fishing. That's professionalism.
Alright, I'll talk to you later.
Yeah, Ryan's got to a fish. Small brim. Awesome. Wish it was a bit bigger. We'll catch the big ones, don't worry. We'll get to the big ones. The spike little bugger, eh?
Yeah, little prick.
Oh, nearly lost my hat. Hey, pulled in pretty good at first. Call your parents.
Show me a piece. Hello, mate.
Adios, amigos. Ryan is on his fish. Oh, not a bad one. No, not a bad one.
He felt bigger.
Just down, put it down, put the sinker down and move towards your direction. That's it. Alright. There we go, matey. You catching the fish today?
That's it.
Hey Michael,
Yeah?
I bought the light. I went to Bunnings about the gum boots.
Yeah?
You wouldn't believe it, they didn't have the short ones. Even the long ones I didn't have it my
Yeah, because
size.
they sell them.
So they didn't have my size, but they got gum boots.
Yeah?
Yeah. So I went to Kmart, I got one of these ones made in New Zealand, short ones.
Yeah.
They're leather though, and rubber.
Okay.
And I put a coating on them, doubling, so that the water, like a coating, water won't go through, but they're leather.
Oh, good. That's good.
In the car, nice, $29 I paid.
Oh, good, good.
I kept them handy.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, it's a bit... Oh, shit, it looks big from the...
He felt big.
Yeah. We'll see if we'll catch more big ones, eh?
Yeah,
So what's the reel called?
Hey?
What's the reel called?
Pen.
Pen. American made?
Yeah, this one. That's the $7.50. The other one last Saturday was the $8.50.
Oh, nice 10-foot rod that you use for brim?
That's a 10-foot. The other one's a 12-foot, you know, the ugly stick.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's had a pen on it. The next size bigger than that one.
Okay, that's a really good deal.
I bought that about 3 or 4 years ago, this one. He sold his business. He works for the boss now.
Oh,
A
right.
headache. Since he sold, he's not making business. He's not a very good businessman. This bloke in Penrith. He's a funny bloke. You never see.
Whoa!
I've got him on the side.
Huh?
Look where I got the hook.
That's
why it's hard to pull.
they're called scads.
Scales. Look.
They're good bait.
You want it?
Nah, it's alright. It's yours. Yeah, they'll still be alive.
For another hook. Going for big fish.
Not bad, mate, not bad.
Brim is not good for bite, huh?
Good.
Other fish like
You're on fire today, man. Yeah.
I like brim.
Be on fire when we
I get down when
Yeah, it's a pretty fucked up day. Couple of bites, a lot of loss in gear and hooks, but we still got hope, don't we, Ryan?
Hell yeah.
We're still out here waiting for the big one to come along. The tide's just coming in, and we've got our fingers crossed, hoping we'll get to the big ones. Yeah. Yeah, very shit day. Yeah. We had a good time. Hopefully next time when we go again, we'll get to those motherfuckers. Yeah?
That's it.
And next time we'll have a lot more sleep. We only had 2 hours sleep, so we're all over the place. Cheers.